Listen up, if you have bad breath, you need to be using a tongue scraper. If you use a tongue scraper along with a good tongue cleansing gel or system, it's going to be so much more effective. Okay, let's talk about it. This is from Sealike. This is their tongue scraper. It's not just a tongue scraper though. It's got all the scrubbies right on it, these soft silicone things. It's also really cute. Not that that matters. And then on the back, you've got a rougher, I'm going to call this the cat tongue. They're very small bumps, but they're more rough and tough. So it's going to help you kind of like zhuzh everything up. Sealike's tongue scraper comes with their cleansing gel specifically made for tongues. Aloe vera, which is so healing for your gut. Your oral biome, by the way, needs similar things to heal. It also has things like xylitol, the name of this plant I can't pronounce. It's not toothpaste. You don't want to use toothpaste. This is specifically formulated for your tongue. I know you've heard of a tongue scraper before. I think at this point everyone has, but maybe you feel like it hasn't been very effective for you. Well, pair it with something like this and you'll start to notice a difference to that bad breath. I'm going to link this here if you want to try this. I love everything I've tried of Sealike so far, so there you go.